Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once the screen wakes up, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. Here select the general settings and then scroll down and find the display brightness option. Once you find the display brightness, tap on it, and right here we can scroll through the list of levels of brightness, and we have high, medium and low. Select the one you like by tapping on it like this. As you can see, the brightness changed, and once you're done you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.